morning everyone. How are you all children? I hope you all are well. Very good. So student, this is your English period. Which period? English return period. English return period. And today we will do the cursive alphabet. What we will do? Cursive alphabet. And before starting the topic, let's do the assembly first. Month of the year is July. Month of the year is July. Fruit of the week. Fruit of the week is apricot. Fruit of the week is apricot. Color of the week. Color of the week is orange. Color of the week is orange. O for orange. Shape of the week. Shape of the week is triangle. Shape of the week is triangle. All of you see this? Triangle. And word of the week. Word of the week is umbrella. Word of the week is umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. And sentence of the week is, this is my umbrella. This is my umbrella. Very good. All of you open your English notebook. This notebook, all of you open it. Very good. And write down classwork, CW classwork. And today's day is Thursday, 29 July 2021. Topic is cursive and small alphabet. Cursive and small alphabet. And we are doing U, V, W. Okay? U, V, W. First of all, you have to write down capital and small. Capital and small. Capital and small. So all of you watch the video carefully. You have to do this dot so that it looks neat and clean and straight. Come down from the top, go up and again come down. U. And for the small, go up in the middle like this. U. Again, come down, go up, do like this. U. Again, go up, come down. Okay? U. U. Like this. Come down. U. Come down. U. Again. U. Like this. Then V. V. Like this. V. Come down from up to third line, go up. V. 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 Okay, like this. V. Have you understood? You have to come down up to third line and then go up and give the curve shape, and then small v you have to make it in the middle like this. V. And now W. Give the curve shape go up and then round it. W, again W, W, come down and go up like this. Again, give the curve shape, go up. W, W, okay, like this, and a small W like this. You have to make a small W in the middle. W, 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 W for watch, W for watch. Okay, like this you have to make it. U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch. Have you got it, student? U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. So like this, you have to do it in your English notebook with neat and clean handwriting, and you have to click the picture of this and send it to me by 2 p.m. Till then, bye-bye everyone, and be safe and do your work on time.